Hello all, myself Abraham Rajan. Today in this video we will discuss the concept of trigonometric ratios and some multiple choice questions related to that which are going to appear in 10th standard mathematics question paper of Karnataka State Board. What are we waiting for? Come on, let us begin. First and foremost, we need to learn the trigonometric ratios of some specific functions such as sine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant and cot. In order to understand this, let us consider this triangle. Here we have an angle theta and the side opposite to this we call it as opposite, and the side adjacent to this we call it as adjacent, and the side opposite to this 90 degree we call it as hypotenuse. There are some predefined ratios found by our mathematicians, that is for sine theta opposite by hypotenuse, for cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse, and for tan theta opposite by adjacent. And they have also given us some relationship, that is cosecant theta is equals to 1 by sine theta. That means cosecant theta and sine theta are reciprocals of each other. Similarly, secant theta and cos theta are reciprocals of each other, and cot theta and tan theta are reciprocals of each other. Therefore, we can write cosecant theta is equals to 1 by sine theta, secant theta equals to 1 by cos theta, cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. We will be using these ratios in the multiple choice questions that we will be solving. I'll show you later. Now, let us learn trigonometric ratios of some specific angles, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. In order to remember this, it is compulsory for you to remember the first row, that is the values of sine theta for each angle. Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. If you remember these many values, it is pretty sufficient to write the entire table. See, in order to get the values of cos, start writing values of sine in reverse order. Start from 1. 1 you write first, root 3 by 2 you write next, 1 by root 2 next, 1 by 2 you write next, 0 you write next. You will get the values of cos. Next, we have to find the value of tan theta. For tan theta, we know that tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Using this definition, I can find the values of tan theta. See, for tan theta we have to do sin theta by cos theta. That is, for tan 0, sin 0 by cos 0. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. Therefore, 0 by 1 you will get 0. Similarly, tan 30 degree is sin 30 by cos 30. So, if you divide these two, you will get the value of tan 30. Here what will happen is 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You will be left with 1 by root 3. That is the value of tan 30. Tan 45, you will divide these two. So, you will root 2 will get cancelled. You will be left with 1 in the numerator and denominator. 1 by 1 is 1. If you divide these two, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Root 3 by 1 is left. Root 3 by 1 is root 3. Next, 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. Therefore, infinity you will write it as not defined. Let me erase this off. In order to find the values of cosecant theta, we know the trigonometric ratios that are given here. That is, cosecant theta is 1 by sine theta. For cosecant theta, it is the reciprocal of sine theta. If you reciprocate the sine theta values, you will get cosecant theta value. Therefore, I will start taking reciprocals of sine theta. 1 by 0, if I do, I will get infinity. Therefore, cosecant 0 is infinity. Sin 30 degree reciprocal 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2 you will get. 1 by root 2 if you do reciprocal you will get root 2. Root 3 by 2 if you do reciprocal you will get 2 by root 3. 1 if you do reciprocal you will get 1 itself. Like this you will get the value of cosecant theta. Now Let us see how to find the values of secant theta. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Therefore, take the cos theta row and do the reciprocal for this. 1 by 1 is 1. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal if you do, you will get 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 if you do reciprocal, you will get root 2. 1 by 2 if you do reciprocal, you will get 2. 0 if you do reciprocal, that means 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is nothing but infinity. Therefore, infinity means you should write not defined. We know that tan and cot are reciprocals. Since you have the values of tan theta, you can reciprocate to get the values of cot theta. Here 1 by 0 we know infinity, therefore it is not defined. 1 by root 3 if you reciprocate, it will get root 3. 1 reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. Root 3 reciprocal is 1 by root 3. Not defined reciprocal. That means 1 by infinity it is. 1 by infinity is nothing but 0. Like this you can find the values of specific angles. Let us see some multiple choice questions based on the trigonometric ratios. It is given if sin A equals to 1 by root 2, the magnitude of angle A is. You need to find the value of angle A. If you memorize the table, you can easily remember the values. For sin 45 degree, it is 1 by root 2. Therefore, we can write, we know that sin 45 degree is equals to 1 by root 2. By comparing sin A equals 1 by root 2 and sin 45 degree equals 1 by root 2, we can easily say that angle A should be equal to 45 degree. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. If cos A equals to 1 by root 2, the magnitude of angle A is. We need to find angle A. By the table, once you have memorized, you can directly write that cos 45 degree is equals to 1 by root 2. By using this, by comparing cos A equals 1 by root 2 and cos 45 degree equals 1 by root 2, you can easily say that angle A should be equal to 45 degree. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. If sin A equals to 3 by 5, then the value of cosecant A equals to dash. We know the trigonometric ratio, that is cosecant A is equals to 1 by sin A. We know the value of sin A, that is 3 by 5. I will just substitute that. 1 whole divided by 3 by 5 is there. If you send 5 up, it will become 5 by 3. Therefore, the value of cosecant A will be 5 by 3. Let us see the option. See the option C, 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. If sin A equals to 1 by 2, the magnitude of angle A is dash. We need to find angle A. We know from the table that sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Therefore, by comparing sin A equals 1 by 2 and sin 30 degree equals 1 by 2, we can easily say that angle A should be equal to 30 degree. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. If tan A equals to 4 by 3, then the value of 4 cot A is. We need to find the value of 4 cot A. We know that cot A equals to 1 by tan A. Therefore, I can substitute the value of tan A 4 by 3 into this. It will become 4 into 1 by 4 by 3. Now if I take 3 up, it will become 4 into 3 by 4. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. I will be left with 3. Therefore, the answer is 3. Let us see the option. See the option D. Option D, 3 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. The value of tan square 60 degree is. We need to find tan square 60 degree. If you have memorized the table, you can easily say that value of tan 60 degree is root 3. Since they have given square, I will put whole square. Now root and square will get cancelled. I will be left with 3. Let us see the options. Option C, 3 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. In the figure, the value of sin C is, we need to find the value of sin C. We know the definition for sin C, that is opposite by hypotenuse. In this given triangle, we have to identify the angle C. This is nothing but angle C. Side opposite to this is this one. This I will take it as opposite, and this will become adjacent, and the angle opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Okay. Therefore, I will substitute the values here. The value of opposite is 1 and the value of hypotenuse is 2. Therefore, my answer is 1 by 2. Let us see the option. See the option C. 1 by 2 is there. That is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. The equal value of cos A is. See the options. The options are given 1 by cosecant A, 1 by secant A, 1 by sin A. All these are reciprocals of something. What is the reciprocal of cos A? We know the reciprocal of cos A is secant A. That is nothing but 1 by secant A. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. In the figure, the value of cot C is. We need to find the value of cot C. By the trigonometric ratios, we can write cot C is equals to adjacent by opposite. In this, the angle C is this one. Side opposite to angle C is this one, and this will become the adjacent side of angle C, and the side opposite to 90 degree, it will become hypotenuse. Therefore, let me substitute the values. The value of adjacent is 1. I will substitute that. Opposite is root 3. I will substitute that. Therefore, I have got 1 by root 3. Let me see the options. See the option A, 1 by root 3. That is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. In the figure, the value of tan C is. We need to find the value of tan C. We know by definition tan is equals to opposite by adjacent. Therefore, in this triangle, this is angle C, and the side opposite to angle C is this one. AB is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent side, and the angle opposite to 90 degree, this will become the hypotenuse. The value of opposite is 1. Therefore, I will substitute here opposite 1. Adjacent value is root 3. Root 3 I will substitute. Therefore, I have got 1 by root 3. Let us see the options. See option C, 1 by root 3. It is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. If cos theta equals 12 by 13, then the value of secant theta is. We know the trigonometric ratio secant theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. They have given the value of cos theta. I will substitute that. 1 by cos theta value is 12 by 13. So if I take 13 to the numerator, it will become 13 by 12. Therefore, the value of secant theta is 13 by 12. Let us see the options. See the option A, 13 by 12. That is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. If tan A equals to 3 by 4, the value of cot A equals to dash. We know that cot and tan are reciprocals. Therefore, cot A equals to 1 by tan A I can write. They have given the value of tan A as 3 by 4. I will substitute that. Tan A is 3 by 4. If I take 4 up, it will become 4 by 3. Therefore, the value of cot A is 4 by 3. Let us see the option. See the option C, 4 by 3. That is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. In the figure, the value of cosecant C is. This I should take it as C. The side opposite to angle C is this one, AB. The value is 1. And the adjacent side is this one. The side opposite to 90 degree, it will become hypotenuse. Here we don't know the value of hypotenuse. First I need to find that. Hypotenuse is AC. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, I can write AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AB, value of AB is 1. 1 square I will write. BC is root 3. Root 3 whole square it will become. Root and square will get cancelled. 1 square is 1 plus root and square is get cancelled. It will become 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. We have AC square equals to 4. Then the value of AC is 2. If I take square root, I will get 2. Now I have got hypotenuse as 2. They are asking us to find the value of cosecant C. Cosecant is hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse is nothing but 2 and opposite is 1. By using this, 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. Option B is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. In the figure, the value of tan C is. We need to find the value of tan C. Tan C is opposite by adjacent. This is angle C. Side opposite to angle C is opposite and the side adjacent to this is adjacent. Therefore, the value of opposite is 1 and adjacent is root 3. Therefore, I can directly substitute opposite value is 1 divided by adjacent value is root 3. Therefore, the answer is 1 by root 3. Let us see the options. See the option A, 1 by root 3. It is the correct answer.